Welcome back to the Kayak 2.0 foam kayak. What I'm going to do now is going to put a extra little bit of wood in the floor so that if I want to screw something down, I don't have to rely on the poor man's fiberglass if you do that, or rich man's fiberglass if you go that direction. Well, either way, you should have some wood in your floor of some sort. And just remember, when you screw something down to the floor, don't torque it down, just turn that screw until it heads flush with the surface. A little rough house. What I'm using is 1/8 inch plywood. And I don't have, I'm using leftovers. I'm not going to go buy any more. Let's get started with this. That wasn't good. A bump in there, huh? I'll clean it up later. Right now, I'm concentrating on not having a problem here. I've already pre-cut this. I know I'd show every step, but come on, people. Come on, people. You don't need to, I mean, you know, that's just a bunch of sawing and noise, extra noise, but just cut you out a piece. And in my case, let's see, can you see right down here? What I'm doing here is I'm leaving enough room so I don't have to shave the height of this to fit that. So just cut that out. It doesn't matter if it's a little bit too big, because if it's a little bit, you know, if there's a gap along here, it won't matter because we'll fill that up. Later on, what we're going to do is I'm going to cut me a little sliver of foam to go in here along the edge. So I have a nice transition. I don't have that boxy looking floor. And we'll get to that. We'll get to that. Spots that are glued. There we go. Wow, that's okay. Here we go. I guess the bag's probably in the way, huh? I can weight those down in a minute. Just enough. Barely enough glue here, right? So get you a little something to weight down. You should have checked to see where the wavy spots are before you put some glue on it. Right here. So now when you go over, like I said, with your poor man's fiberglass or real fiberglass, whatever it is you're going to do, you're going to screw the seat down. You got more than just your coating to screw your seat to, or whatever it is you're screwing down, a rod holder. You know, you don't want to screw a rod holder down right there in the midst of your lap. It's just in poor man's fiberglass or real fiberglass, either way, and then have a big fish in it. Then you lose your pole and your fish and your rod holder too. So get you some reinforcement in the bottom, no matter how much it is. Be surprised how much just a little bit of wood will hold it for you. So, and this here I used, this is an 1/8 inch Luan, and once it gets all encased in all my coverings, there's no way it'll ever have an issue. So we'll do it as we go along. And I want to build up, put a little bit more strength in the transom, and we'll be good to go. So appreciate y'all watching. Hang in there and hit the like button. Leave a comment. Thank you so much.